You like those prunes? No, 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 no. Keep those hands away from your mouth, okay? I'll get the spoon. Mmm. Yummy. Yummy. All right. Mmm.
How's it going?
Oh, it's going.
You're recording this?
Yes. Hey, I recorded you feeding her for the first time.
Try not to let too much get on the bib there. That's like a puddle. You have to catch it as it comes out. Here, let me just show you something with her. You're letting her lick it off the spoon. No, 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 no. In the mouth, up. Scoop. Okay? Let me try and get this off. This puddle is formed. Look at that. Catch it. Try and catch it. Do you think you got it?
Probably not. No. Yeah. Keep those hands. Okay. In the mouth. I don't know. She seemed to be enjoying it more when I was talking. In the mouth.
I'll let her open her mouth for it.
What? Okay, ready? Are you okay? Ready? No! Oh! Oh!
Yeah, okay, you're also going to have to take her outfit off and put it immediately in the washing machine after this because she's getting it all over her new outfit. Here,
I'll do it. I know.
we'll leave the mustache on it.
Here. Oh no, Mommy. Here, Breslyn. Breslyn. Here. Look. Hey. Missy. Listen here, Miss. Here. It's okay. It's not okay. It's not